So this is iPad 2017 model, and you can see that dark patches are here prominently on the left side of this iPad. Let me put it like this way. So you can see these are the dark patches, and I will rotate my iPad and still they are here. Now let me increase the brightness, which I have kept it at this point at 0, and still these patches are here. They are clearly visible, not like earlier. Now I will increase the brightness to full, and still slightly these three dark patches are visible. Now I will reduce it to 0, and you can clearly see the dark patches on this iPad 2017. So it seems like a hardware problem. What do you think? Comment below.